Welcome to Jane Perrine TV. For this video, we will be feeding the farm animals and the cheeky goat who loves to steal food from his buddies. กินไหม กิน Oh, give it to the sheep. No, she wants it. What happened? It bit you. Oh no. Uy! Uy! Hey, don't be selfish. You already ate. You ate a lot, in fact. That's for the pigs. She wants to eat everything. No more. You want more? The goat wants more. The goat wants more. Come, go closer. Go closer. Go closer. Give it to the pig. You like it? Oh, you ate it. Go, give. Give na, give. Go closer. I'll go get it. You.
Mommy, help me.
Okay, come on, let's go. Give. Oop, like that. Come on. You got it? Alright. Ow, here you are again. This goat. You ate a lot already. You can't be selfish. You need to share. Come here. Oh, give na, give. Ah, the goat is here again. Earlier you steal the food for others, na? You steal the food for the... Ay! Hold on. Wait. There it is. Meh. Be. No?
Good.
Where's your friends? Why is it that you're the only goat here? And you're the one who eats the most? You stole the food for the pig earlier. And for the sheep. Ah, there.
Here we go.
Wait. You have to wait. Wait.
How you wait?
Yeah. Do you want more? Do you know that crackers are not good for you? You're supposed to eat grass. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just wait.
Yeah, just wait. More. Ah! don't bite my finger.
Bite the finger.
Aggressive.
There.
Be nice.
Nice, na?
Yeah, be nice, na.
It's some piece.
You say, can I have some, please?
I was some piece.
You see, all your buddies are sleeping. They are just relaxing while you are here eating and eating and eating.
Some piece.
All yours.
I will first.
Come on. See that? Here, uwan, แล้ว
Oneแล้ว
uwan แล้ว
Sheep come on first. See? Sheep my.
See that? You have a big belly. Are you a girl or a boy? Let me see. Oh, you're a boy. You just really eat good, no?
That's oh,